maybe it was just sitting funny.
Okay. Yeah. There couldn't be anything wrong with it. Come on up, big girl.
Hi. What are you doing?
She been sitting pretty square?
She's been slipping a lot lately because of the ice and stuff, and so I don't know, she's banged her hip a few times. I haven't noticed anything weird, but...
Interesting. Okay, so left, SS. What she's done is she's got a left SS, left SI, but the right hip somehow has gone out this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, she's whacked it a few times pretty good. I'm not totally surprised.
Okay.
Crazy dog.
Okay, so we're going to do a left and a left, and then we're going to do a right ilium and get that hip back down. She did a number on it. Okay. Picture. Ouch.
What?
Feel this.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, go back here.
Oh, yeah.
L6.
Oh, my goodness. You must be sore.
There we go. It's better. Six and L2. It's funny, I adjusted her L6, so I'm holding her here, and all of a sudden I can feel like gurgles in her lower intestine. Okay, so L6, L2. L1. Halfway there. T9 and a flinch. Uh-oh. Right shoulder. Over your shoulder. Thank you.
She doesn't need kisses. I know.
She said, sure she does. Who doesn't need kisses? C6. C1. Wow. What the hell? This is really out. Shake it out. Good shake it out. Good girl.
Yay! Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Good job.
Good job.
Oh.